Do you have a business with multiple owners? What you don't want to do is put the cart before the horse. And specifically what I'm saying is you don't want to build the business before you have an agreement among the partners about how that business is going to function. Specifically how that business is going to function if those partners are no longer partners. I do a lot of videos here on the channel talking about business partnerships. It's one of the areas I spend a lot of my legal practice time on. I work with a lot of business partnerships and we build partnership agreements that protect partners. And one thing we find is a lot of our clients are second and third time business partners because they've got burned or they had an issue once before. We do sometimes get first time business partners who just want to avoid the issue altogether. Maybe they've had a mentor or somebody who's told them this could be a problem. But what you want to do early in your partnership life is build that agreement among the partners as to what happens in those business eventualities. Now, some of you might be saying, hey, I'm already out. I've already got the partnership going. We didn't do the documentation right. As long as you're on good terms with your partner right now, there's no reason you can't go back and have that discussion about the foundation. Here's the honest truth of most business partnerships. Most business partners are going to have different paths in life. They're going to retire at different times. They may want to move to other locations. They may gain interest in other businesses. They may lose interest in the core business. A lot of things can happen in the evolution of a business partnership. And it's a good idea to have that tough conversation now and say, what are we going to do if we evolve and we decide that we're no longer business partners? Something you can get in documentation, you meet with an attorney in your jurisdiction. They can sit down and help you write that agreement among yourselves, which is going to provide what happens down the line should something happen. If you have questions about business and business partnership, drop them in the comments. We've had some great comments lately. I do want to remind you that comments are not confidential, so don't put anything in there you don't want other people seeing. If you have confidential issues to cover, best to meet with an attorney and go through that because you'll generally have attorney-client confidentiality. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel because we'll bring you more videos with more tips coming up very soon. Thanks for being here.